Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have a given question. Square root of x plus the square root of x equals to 4x. Let's provide solution very quickly, and you have to copy what you have. Square root of x plus square root of x equals to 4x. Then here, first thing here, we can take this one as 2 square root of x equals to 4x. Then by square both sides, 2 square root of x, then squared can be equals to 4x squared. At this stage we have 4 times x, where is equals to 16x squared. Then what should we do? We shall divide 4 and divide 4 right here to get what? X equals to 4x squared. Then by rearranging, we shall write this one as 4x squared, which is equal to x, where 4x squared minus x would be 0. By factorizing x open bracket of 4x minus 1 will be 0, so that we are supposed to get two solutions. X will be equals to 0, or 4x minus 1 equals to 0. At this stage we have 4x equals to 1, whereas our x2 is equals to 1 over 4, as we have right here. Then we are supposed to check if the answer is correct, because you have given question square root of here 0 plus square root of 0 equals to 4 times 0. Then this is equal to 0. 4 times 0 is equals to 0. Then this value is correct. Whereas about this one, we have square root of 1 over 4 plus square root of 1 over 4 is equal to 4 times 1 over 4. Then this is equal to square root of 1 over square root of 4 plus square root of 1 over square root of 4, which is equal to 4 over 4. This is 1 over 2. Then here plus 1 over 2, which is equal to 1, and then 1 over 2 over 1 over 2. This is 1, which is equals to 1. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Then to mean that this value is correct. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Bye bye.